Well, hello there, and thanks for coming by and having tea with Linda. In case you didn't know, I'm Linda. Hi. Today, we will be having day 3 of our Burn Blend Advent Calendar. I am super duper excited. Obviously it is too, because I've thoroughly enjoyed the last 2 teas. So, let's pull out our day 3, which is Peppermint Hot Cocoa. Oh my stars. Steaming hot Christmas cocoa with a candy cane twist. Roasted dandelion root, cocoa nibs, peppermint, and cacao shells. Or cocoa shells. How about I put the glasses on so I can tell you for sure? Cocoa shells. Herbal tea, brew 4 minutes without milk. And it's vegan. Interesting. Alright, so let's pop one out. Turn that. Alright. And let's... Alright, so you can see the shell very easily. The peppermint leaves. Actually, it all is quite identifiable. It smells really good. Okay, so now let's hey Siri, set a timer for 4 minutes. If this is your first time at the channel, thanks for stopping by and seeing what kind of shenanigans we have. My name is Linda. I am a mostly self-taught potter who has a pretty significant hot tea addiction. If you're returning to the channel, hey, thanks for coming back by. I really appreciate your time. Ignore the dogs in the background. I'm pretty stoked about trying this tea. I've never had a tea that's a hot cocoa before. Of course, this leads to the, is it really a hot tea if there's no tea in it? Okay, well, Maddie will come here. This is my beautiful Maddie. She is my little everything. I love my little Mad so much. She is almost 3. She is a mini piebald English cream Dachshund, and I just love her, especially because she'll let me dress her, even though she has no dress on today. Oh, this is my middle son's pug named Storm. Okay, this is Stormy. Y'all may have seen her before. She is a handful. She is an absolute handful. This dog would have zoomies all day if she could, and she just loves playing fetch. She's really cute. She's my little grand dog. I don't want grandbabies, but I'm okay with a grand dog. Are you okay now? Thank you for the kisses. Oi. Maybe, no, she's going right back to barking again. We have our other mini Dachshund over here. His name is Fritz. He's a black and tan, but he's resting and not barking right now, so we'll let that go. Storms is going to keep barking because, you know, she's upset about something. We do have one other Dachshund. Her name is Fräulein, and she is a beautiful double dapple standard, even though she's small for a standard. She's very long like standards, but she's only like 12 pounds. Hey Siri, stop timer. we'll take that. All right. So let's move our timer over. And let's pull our tea bag. Let's actually move that a bit. Okay, so this tea is kind of, it's dark, not quite the yum yum color. There's not a whole lot of reds in it. It's very brown, but that's all right. You know, chocolate's brown, right? So it's got an interesting color to it. Oh, well, if you hold it up to the big light up here, there's some reds. It is clear. You can see through it. Don't see a lot of particulate. It tastes like an Andes mint. It's quite delightful. It doesn't taste like hot cocoa, but it tastes like an Andes mint without being, everything's nice and subtle to it. I mean, it's not like smacky around, it's so minty, or the chocolate's not overpowering. It's blended really nicely, and it tastes really good. It like I said, it tastes like an Andes mint. I wouldn't, it's not sweet. Not really. I wouldn't mind adding just a little bit of sugar to it, to give it just a little bit more sweetness, but I'm not going to. You know, healthier choices, Linda. But that is quite delightful. That is quite delightful. I'm really pleased with that. I very well may have to order me some more of this. That is yummy. Wow. Wow. All right, well, I don't really know what else to say other than it tastes like an Andes mint. It is quite yummy, and oh look, I think I forgot to set the video. All right, well, thanks for coming by and having a cuppa with me today. A great cuppa. And I can't hardly wait to see you till tomorrow. Bye. Stupid Linda. Stupid, stupid, stupid. You don't know what you're doing. You don't know where you've been.